Hi dears, welcome back to OUPS OnLive English online class. In our first unit, most of the students are actively participated. They prepare their activities and send me to my WhatsApp number. Congratulations to all those who attended the class and those who prepare the activities. But even now, some students has no response. Listen, here I am checking your notebooks or the activities you are sending me. I am checking and marking or registering in my book. So, listen, everybody try to listen the class and prepare the activities on time or later. Okay. Now I am directly entering to the second class. Here our textbook. Open the textbook or take the PDF of textbook and look at the page number 8. One yellow color page is there. There is the main objectives or learning outcomes of this unit. So you try to understand the learning outcomes. If you have any difficult to understand, try to find out the meanings of the difficult words. Okay? Okay, here is that page. You can read this page and if you have any difficult to try to find out the meaning of the difficult words. In last class, you prepared the family tree also. Anyway, you can read it and find out the meanings. If you don't know, if you have any difficult words that you don't know the meaning, try to find out the meanings also. The chapter Life with Grandfather. You can see a family picture. Who are the members in this picture? An old man, old woman, a young man, and a boy. Try to find out who are they. And you can read the next passage, My Home, page number 11, and find out the difficult words and their meanings. Also, try to read the passage. If you have any doubts while you are reading the passage, you underline such words. And later, you can clear that by sending to my WhatsApp number about your doubts. I will clear that. Okay. So the major activities or assignments for you to read page number 8, learning outcomes, and find out the meanings if you don't know. And also find out the meanings of the difficult words. Number 11, read the passages and find out the difficult words and their meanings. After preparing the activities, send me to my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you all.